In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tailgate cable. The same process applies to both sides. I recommend doing this one side at a time because that way the tailgate will still be held on by the other side cable. So you have this tab right here, which typically would go underneath this bolt and lock it in. Looks like this one has been tampered with, so for us, all I have to do is pull it up and slide it out. But typically you need to pry it away just a little bit and then do the same thing, pull it up and slide it out. Next you have a T45 bolt right here on the tailgate. Remove it. Your new cable will come with a new bolt and a new washer / retainer. Take the new cable and make sure you have the correct end on here. You'll know because, well, you can't really put it on the other end. Slide the bolt through, and then on the other side make sure you put this washer on with the tabs facing out, and it can only go on one way really, so make sure you line it up, start it in, make sure it doesn't cross thread. Let's tighten it up. Make sure it's nice and snug and it still moves around. That's perfect. And all you have to do on this side is lift up the tailgate a little bit, line it up, and slide it down. That's what the little tab should look like, and that's what I was talking about. You need to just pry it out a little bit. But there you go. Now you can do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.